this is Pallavi.
And this is Navjot.
We are here for practice session of day 3.
राम ने खाना खा लिया है.
Ram has eaten food.
उसने पूजा कर ली है.
He has worshipped.
उसने पौधों को पानी दे दिया है.
He has watered plants.
उसने टीवी देख लिया है.
He has watched television.
उसने खाना नहीं खाया.
He has not eaten food.
मोनिका मैम ने क्लास ले ली है.
Monica ma'am has taken class.
मंजीत ने फुटबॉल खेल लिया है.
Manjeet has played football.
पाहुल ने फ्रूट्स खा लिए हैं.
Pahul has eaten fruits.
दीपक ने फोटो खींच ली है.
Deepak has clicked picture.
रोहित ने कार चला ली है.
Rohit has driven car.
उसने पानी नहीं पिया.
He has not drunk water.
सबल सर ने चाय पी ली है.
Sabal sir has taken tea.
नवजोत ने पूजा कर ली है.
Navjot has worshipped.
पवन ने कॉल कर लिया है.
Pawan has called.
योगेश ने फिल्म देख ली है.
Yogesh has watched movie.
अमीश ने लैपटॉप चला लिया है.
Amish has operated laptop.
दक्ष ने आराम कर लिया है.
Daksh has taken siesta.
पल्लवी मैम ने नोटबुक्स चेक कर दी हैं.
Pallavi ma'am has checked notebooks.
उसने फ्रेंच सीख ली है.
He has learnt French.
उसने हिंदी नहीं सीखी है.
He has not learnt Hindi.
उसने पानी नहीं पिया.
He has not drunk water.
दक्ष ने आराम कर लिया है.
Daksh has taken siesta.
निर्मल सर ने मीटिंग कर ली है.
Nirmal sir has conducted meeting.
अर्श ने फ्रूट खा लिए हैं.
Arsh has eaten fruit.
उसने फ्रूट नहीं खाए.
He has not eaten fruit.
सीता ने खाना नहीं बनाया.
Sita has not cooked food.
उसने पौधों को पानी नहीं दिया.
He has not watered plants.
उसने इंग्लिश सीख ली है.
He has learnt English.
उसने कार चला ली है.
He has driven car.
उसने टीवी नहीं देखा.
He has not watched television.
उसने फोन चला लिया है.
He has operated phone.
उसने क्लास ले ली है.
He has taken class.
रमन ने नोटबुक्स चेक कर दी है.
Raman has checked notebooks.
उसने नोटबुक्स चेक नहीं की.
He has not checked notebooks.
रमन ने काम पूरा नहीं किया.
Raman has not completed work.
उसने टीवी नहीं देखा.
He has not watched television.
उसने पिज्जा नहीं खाया.
He has not eaten pizza.
उसने घूम लिया है.
He has moved around.
उसने एक्सरसाइज कर ली है.
He has done exercise.
पल्लवी ने काम पूरा कर लिया है.
Pallavi has completed work.
मोनिका ने पानी पी लिया है.
Monica has drunk water.
उसने आराम नहीं किया.
He has not taken siesta.
लेट्स प्रैक्टिस.
Should sentences.
हमें बड़ों की बात माननी चाहिए.
We should obey elders.
हमें पौधों को पानी देना चाहिए.
We should water plants.
हमें अपना काम करना चाहिए.
We should do our work.
राहुल को खाना खाना चाहिए.
Rahul should eat food.
योगेश को चुप रहना चाहिए.
Yogesh should stay quiet.
हमें रोज हाथ धोने चाहिए.
We should wash our hands daily.
हमें रोज पढ़ना चाहिए.
We should study every day.
हमें रोज एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए.
We should exercise daily.
अमीश को इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए.
Amish should learn English.
हमें ट्रैफिक रूल फॉलो करने चाहिए.
We should follow traffic rules.
हमें टीवी नहीं देखना चाहिए.
We should not watch television.
सुमित को मोनिका की बात माननी चाहिए.
Sumit should obey Monica's word.
निर्मल सर को छुट्टी दे देनी चाहिए.
Nirmal sir should grant leave.
हमें खाना बना लेना चाहिए.
We should cook food.
रोहित को घूम लेना चाहिए.
Rohit should mooch around.
पवन को कॉल कर लेनी चाहिए.
Pawan should call now.
पाहुल को फ्रूट्स खा लेने चाहिए.
Pahul should eat fruits.
सबल सर को चाय पी लेनी चाहिए.
Sabal sir should drink tea.
हमें रोज पूजा करनी चाहिए.
We should worship daily.
Now we are here
To conduct our conversation session.
Hi Pulvi.
Hi Navjot.
How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm also good.
It's been so long we haven't met. Where were you?
I went to Jaipur.
Why you went there?
To attend one of my favorite cousins' wedding.
With whom you been there?
I went there with my all family members and we traveled by a car.
Okay, what you did there?
I did many activities such as I danced, I sang a song, and we also completed our rituals.
How many days have you spent there?
I totally spent there 4 days and 3 nights in Jaipur.
Apart from attending wedding, have you visited historical places of Jaipur?
As we all know that Jaipur is famous for tourist place, so yes, we visited there, such as Nahargarh Fort, Amer Fort, and the Jal Mahal, and those places were very beautiful.
What have you seen there?
I saw there many different kind of things, such as cloths of king and queen, and the cookery which were used by them in their kitchen.
What about Chokhi Rani? Have you been there?
Yes, of course. Why? Because my father saw pictures on the internet, so he wanted to visit there, so we visited there.
Okay, and what you liked most about that place?
The thing which I like most is that Chokhi Dhani represented the whole culture of Rajasthani. Along with this, they also served us food which known as typically Rajasthani.
Remembering of food, have you tried most popular food of Jaipur, dal bati churma?
Yes, being a foodie, I tried it because I wanted to try everything. So yes, and I can say that it was delicious, very tasty. Apart from that, I also tried many other foods such as fast food and other cuisines. Along with this, as a tea lover, I also drank a rose petal tea and it was very tasty.
And where you went for shopping?
As one of my good friend told me that WTP is a very famous as well as affordable. So I went there for shopping and I shopped many things, clothes, footwear, and for my mother I bought home decor as a gift.
Well, I have also heard about this place. So, what have you bought for me and Monica from there?
As you and Monica both are my best friends, so I bought very beautiful thing. I bought Lakh Bengal jewelry as well as Jaipuri jutti.
Wow, we will plan to go there.
Yes, definitely. If our manager Nirmal sir will grant us leave, then definitely we will go there.
Definitely.
Thank you.